Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to turn and rotate text in MS Word. For this you need to click on the insert and in the text group you need to click on this small arrow A and select the format of your text, for example this one, and now type the desired text, for example rotate. Click on this small layout option and select the square, and now you can move this word art anywhere on the page. Let me zoom out. You can resize it from this wide angle, and you can also click and drag the circular rotation handle at the top of the word object to turn it on any angle like this one. So you can select it, press the Control B to make it bold, or either you can go to the home and change the color of your choice, for example red, and change the font size to 72. Go to the shape format and you can increase the shape height like this one, and here you can increase the width of the shape from here. If you want to make it center, then go to the position and click on this centrally aligned. Here it is perfectly centered in the middle of the page. Moreover, if you want the precise rotation, for this you need to click on this small arrow and you can select the rotate right 90 angle. And this is the rotate left 90-degree angle. And this is the flip vertical and this is the flip horizontal. So whatever your choice is, you can select it. You can also click on this align and centrally align middle, and you can select the align bottom. This is the align top. So it's up to you. So this way you can easily turn and rotate the word in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.